Hey guys, bring you another Pro Clip mount. You guys know I'm a big fan of this. It's the only one I'm going to use. This one goes by the center console, by the cup holder. Heard a lot of you guys say you didn't like the ones that block the vent, so here's your other option. It's really nice. It's going to go where the cup holders are, and it doesn't block the cup holders, so you can still use them, which is nice. And then you put your mount together. You have to choose what mount you want and what holder. Okay, so let me go ahead and open these up, and I'll show you how to assemble all this to get it ready for install. It's really basic. It's 4 screws. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here's what you get. They even give you this little nice gap tool to help. You don't really need it on this particular mount, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. So right here, the double-sided tape is going to hold it secure, and it makes it so it doesn't rattle too, which is really nice. And then here's the mount I chose, and it screws to this, and that's kind of what you got. Okay, and they give you the screws, of course. So everything you need here. Takes 5 minutes. So let me go ahead and I'll screw this together. I'll show you. I need to take this off though. That one screw in the middle will take it off. Let me show you. Okay, so here I unscrewed it. The screw doesn't come out. It stays in here. You just unscrew it and it'll come out, but the screw will stay in place. But it lets you get to this back piece. And this is the piece that's got to get screwed into the mount. Okay, and just like that, those 4 screws that are included, you just screw this together. Okay, really straightforward here. Cinch them up really tight. Okay, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so here's what you got. I went and screw this together. See, it's perfect right there. Nice and secure, doesn't budge. Okay, now you're gonna put this back on here with that middle screw. Now I'm not going to cinch it up because I want to get it in my car to see the angle I want, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. Okay, so here it is all put together. This is the final product. Again, I didn't cinch this up because I'm going to change it when I get it in the car, the right angle for me. Okay. So see it moves on you. Again, which is what you want, so you can get it in the car and fine tune it. Same with the ears here. Those 2 screws will open and close those ears, so you can adjust it to the size case you have, the size phone you have, and all that. So we'll have to get it in the car, and then we can make it exactly how you want. Okay? So let me put it in the car so you guys have an idea how this is going to come together. Okay, guys. So here's the mount. See that little hook on it? That's going to hook underneath this trim piece. If you remember, I changed mine to leather, but it goes up underneath, so it's not going to scratch the leather at all. It goes in the little gap between the leather piece and then the plastic center console. Okay, so you just start at the back here, so you don't scratch anything, and then you're sliding it forward. And as you get close here, you're going to want to put a little pressure on it. So you see that how it holds like that? Can you look? It's not touching the leather. It's right through the crack here, which is good. Okay, so it's perfectly safe for everything. And then when you get it to here, you're going to want to pull it over because it will get tighter as you go up. Okay, so just keep pushing it forward and put more pressure on it, and it clears. Okay, and then here's where it's gonna kind of mount to. Right there, you got to pull that double-sided tape off, and then that'll secure it so it doesn't rattle, which is nice. Okay, and it's already snug without even taking the back end of the tape off. Okay, here's how you want to adjust it to see where you want it. You get exactly where you want, then you just set it, okay? So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and put that tape off, nice and secure. Phone comes out easy because I adjusted it to my phone. Holds it nice, doesn't block the vents, doesn't block any controls. Really nice. If you see here, let me put the light on here, it's kind of dark. Okay, see how it just kind of sandwiches that piece? Doesn't even touch it, so it's not going to scar it up. It's really nice. That's why I like these. They're all made to exact specification, whatever car you have, which is perfect. They're custom. They're not a one size fits all. So really what you want for this, if you want a magnetic mount, they have those too. They have all kinds of stuff, so definitely check them out. proclipsusa.com. I'll put a link in the description, guys, for you. Again, if you want this, I like this actually. It doesn't block the vent. And then on those hot days, it keeps your phone out of the direct sun from being like closer to the dash. So again, Another idea for you guys, another option to safeguard your car and your phone at the same time. Okay, appreciate it guys. Hope everyone's doing good. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks everybody.